What is, baby?
Akizuki. What's this? Oh. This is your favourite foodies, isn't it? Yes, it is. Yeah, let me give you a hand with that. Come on then. Yes, Crystalline, you can have some as well. Oh. Oh. No, this is not a sponsored video. Right, a little bit for Crystalline. Akizuki. What's this? Oh. Oh yes. That's the good shit right there, isn't it? She's just eaten, but she's always got time for these. Om nom 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 nom. And a little bit for Crystalline. Danger Cat can have the rest.
She's so pretty.
Yes, now she's got... Oh, I see. I'm getting little kisses as well. Now, her two favourite toys. I don't know how playful a mood she's going to be at. Oh, here comes Ginger Cat.
She missed all the party.
She missed the party. The two favourite toys. One of them, not expensive. And it's just a, you know, a rod with a wire. And a whole bunch of... Yeah, that's right. A whole bunch of things on the end. And she likes this, although she's just eaten from her bowl and she's had a little treat as well. So she's probably not going to be too energetic about chasing it. But there's another toy that somebody recommended to me, I think in one of the other Akizuki videos. Oh, she's going into hunt mode. Watch how her backside wiggles when she's about to pounce. What's that, Akizuki? Oh, somebody's going to get it. Oh no, distracted by Crystalline jumping into the chair. What's this, Zook? What's that? Needs killing. There it is. So, there's that, which isn't an expensive toy. But then there's this thing, and it's called a cat dancer. And it's just a piece of wire with one piece of cardboard at one end and 4 or 5 pieces of cardboard at the other end. These things are about 12p each. Oh yeah. Oh, that's the one. Yeah, oh yeah, yeah, definitely. Go on, kill it. She goes absolutely berserk for this thing. And the other cats do as well. They show almost no interest in the fluffy snake toy, although Zhu does. But Crystalline's like, nope. But even Crystalline can be persuaded to expend energy on this thing. And you can make these things yourself. You don't need to spend money on cat toys. She absolutely loves it. That's right. You're a mighty huntress. Kill it. Ah. So thank you. I can't remember who you are, but whoever in the comments of a previous Akizuki video said Jingles, get her some cat dancers. You can get a packet of these things for like 50p. They're fantastic. Yes, baby. Yes, they are.